Nnamdi Kanu lawyers Waka Comot for court as court adjourn in case. Oga the law them to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Waka Comot for court as the judge adjourn in case to 19 January 2022 for Federal High Court for Abuja. This one happened because security operatives, wey dem they call DSS, no allow one of the Oga the law to Mazi Kanu wey come from USA, Mr. Fain, enter court. Federal government be filed 7 court and amended charge on top treasonable felony on the 8th of October this year against Oga Kanu for him alleged involvement for terrorism for Nigeria. Oga the law then wey talk to Tori people say security operative treat them and other ogbonge people wey get connect to Mazi Kanu bad, sake of say they no allow them enter inside court for many hours.
Our delegation came to this court. The traditional ruler sent a light delegation to these proceedings. The former governor of Nnamdi is different here. All of them are outside the gates, being harassed and being disgraced, and I've been standing for 2 hours. I'm talking of men in their 80s, some in their 90s. I am the lawyer to Haneze. I am outside, and I could not go in. So, where is the justice of this case?
We are complaining about the manner in which the order of this court is being flouted by the Department of State Services. We have from 48 to file against the DGSSS, which is before this court. The court made an order on the last adjourn date, stating the guideline, reviewing the guideline of persons who will visit our client. I'm surprised that that order was not obeyed, despite being served on the SSS. So today, we are here also to inform the court about the manner in which his order is being treated with levity, is being flouted. Then, and in protest, we are outside the court because people and lawyers are not allowed to come in.
And there's one thing that I have already decided as Nnamdi's international lawyer. We don't need any strategy. I'm going to the working group on arbitrary detention in Geneva, go to the International Criminal Court and the International Court of Justice in The Hague, the U.S. Congress, to bring to light the travesty of justice that is occurring.
This na the Ogbonge Informate 20 MC News carry come give una. From Abuja, Osarugwe, Monday.